Hello guys, it's Peter here, Piotr Fissner, and if possible, let's fix them all. Guys, today we've got a delivery, mail-ins, yes? So not always I get mail-ins, but I do. So this time I've got a customer who lives just too far, and he knows my services through other friend who fixed something. So he decided that he will send me this. So let's switch to the DSLR and the video on this, and let's crack it open. That should be a Bluetooth speaker. And customer has booked that in at bookrepair.online.co.uk. So we've got it booked in. That's why I know what it should be, and I haven't ordered anything as big as that. My wife bought me this stuff, so I will be able to mount it on the wall. It's huge, and that's only what I would expect. But here I'm expecting this speaker. So let's see. Oh, that's a army style speaker. Let's get it out. Let's get it out. Boombox free. Oh, JBL Boombox came in one piece. Okay, let's get the coffee on the side. And JBL original power supply came with it. What do we have? No whiskey, no anything. I have to do it on sober. Okay, got a mess, I can say. And so we've got the speaker, JBL speaker. So I've been told that there's no power to it whatsoever. And that would be accurate. I don't see any external damage, few scratches, nothing too extraordinary. DSLR, can be any better useful than you are. Okay, so we can see it from both sides. Why ISO is so low? Okay, better. So let's try this power supply. Probably customer did check it, but we can't take for granted. No matter what customers are saying, I'm not saying these are liars, but I'm buying stuff from people and I'm fixing it for too many years to agree to everything what customers are saying. So if I would be honest, I would say that many times I'm buying stuff which should be faulty, like a Finlock's TV in the second room, like a Panasonic in the second room, and these both TVs weren't fixed whereas they are working. Number of Xboxes which I bought, faulty ones as well. So at the end of the day, let's agree to disagree. That customer is always telling the truth, and it's not always customer that is aware, because many times they wouldn't sell when they know that it's faulty. Okay, so now my question is, why this power supply don't have any voltage? Is it the fault of the power supply, or am I doing something wrong? Let's reset it. Let's put into the diode mode so we know our probes are okay. Let's put to 20 volts. How many volts do we need out of this? So I don't know. I can't tell you. I don't see it. .5 amp. But how many volts? Guys, I can't see it, to be true. I need to grab my magnifying glass. Okay, that's 24 volts and 4.2 amps. 24 volts. So that we should have 24 volts. Do we have power here? Because that would be AC. If this doesn't have, that's suspicious. Yes, okay, that's 248 volts. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, that's 248 volts. That's fine. So we should have like a small when we are inserting. And now let's do DC. Nope. Nada, like Spanish are saying, nada. Nothing. Okay, so you know what? I'll pause the video, and I'll bring in my universal power supply for the laptop. Okay, and there are various of plugs, and you can hit the like button in between if you wouldn't mind. Thank you guys, you're awesome, you know. Especially when you're clicking the like button or subscribe. But anyways, I'll be right back. Yes, like Terminator, I'll be back. Good that I've paused it, because you would be waiting for like several minutes. Okay, so the max I can get is 24 volts here. So actually that's good, because we've got what we need. And if no, we've got a bench power supply, so yay, happy days. Let's check if that's 24 volts. Not on this connector. Come on, fit in. Plus, minus, that's 24.4. We're happy. We're pretty much happy. So now what we need is what's called a polarization. So where is the plus, where is the minus? Can we know? Or polarity. Oh, that's what it's called. Well, to be true, it's not written here, guys. I don't see a polarity here. I don't know if plus goes to the center bit and minus goes to the outer bit. I have no idea. I've got literally no idea, and I would have to open this to find out, but because this one is faulty, we shouldn't damage the speaker if we don't have a proper, you know, like a polarity. Yes, we shouldn't. Oh, come on, how you open? That's quite funny. I can't open the speaker. Let me get it on my knees. That should go like that. Why it doesn't go? That's make it really hard. I know it's waterproof. I know it. I'm aware of that. Yes, but it just that it's, you know, like not ideal. Okay, so let's try different options. How it's looking, the original one. Okay, so it's sort of this. Nope, don't want to fit in. This one, yeah, okay, fits Patrick. Okay. Oh, look. Working like a charm. I don't know if that's it. That's all the fault there is. So customers sent because the power supply was faulty and not because the speaker was faulty. Brilliant. It's not part. Let's try to power it, okay? Power a new device. Let's try to find it. Okay, Bluetooth. Oh, now, okay. Bravia, no. Oh, Boombox 2, pairing. Hello. Booted. Okay. It's connected. Okay, so it's a YouTube no license music. Music no copyright. Guys, I don't know how you, but this is working for me. I will test it further, but in that case maybe I'll do part 2 with the power supply fix, because I didn't expect just power supply to be off. It's charging, it's connected, it's doing everything. I'll make sure that it will charge, okay? Because to be true, we need to be sure that it's charging. Let's switch again back to the webcam. But what I want to say is sometimes the fault is more simple than you could think. Sometimes the fault is just something else. Yes. So today we won't be fixing that in this video. Today we just seen that sometimes the fault is not a fault. Boombox is fine. So Boombox, yes, had no power, but the whole culprit was this power supply. Now these power supplies have pluses and minuses. That's a switching power supply. Okay, it's too lightweight to be a regular power supply. So there might be the case that the power supply is good, but the wire, this wire, is turned off, you know, like wear and tear. There might be the case that something's wrong with this power supply as well. But for now, we've seen that the speaker is fine. Yes, it's fine. It did not have a problem with connection. It did not have a problem with powering on. It did not have a problem with playing. So that's why I can't say the speaker is faulty. I can make more tests, but my main focus has to be on the power supply. We will see how much this power supply cost on eBay, and probably I'll let customer know that if customer wants, just to buy in another power supply. Is it this one worth fixing, you might be asking? Yes and no. You can get my universal power supply for less than 20 quid on eBay. I'll spend 1 hour on it, and my bench hour, it's 30 pounds. So how much I can charge customer for fixing this power supply? Plus it will have marks of opening it. Even if I would use like a petroleum or something, you know, to take my time and just try to pry it the best possible way, it will probably still have signs of opening, and then I have to glue it back on. Whereas this might be waterproof even, yes? So I don't want to risk for a customer, you know, that yes, I will get extra 30 quid or something, maybe, but customer will be less happy than they would order the same power supply. So depend on the price of this power supply, we can get original one, or we can get something like my one, which is just a universal power supply. Okay, then we could measure this plug and we could decide if we want to mount one plug like this, original one, or maybe, you know what, maybe let's forget about it, maybe customer can use one of those tips. That's it, guys. That's a video for 16 minutes and you've seen it all. So I've spent on this, let's say 20 minutes total, yes, about 20 minutes, and hopefully you press the like button to be true. If you pressed, thank you for the button. If you haven't pressed, I'm a loser, but hopefully you've got some value out of this video, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If there will be part number 2, if I will be doing anything with this power supply, you'll know about it. That will be available on this very channel, yes, this very channel. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Hopefully we can fix something in that video, but for today, that's everything. If possible, let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.